Did you know that 5 men went to a basketball game and vanished without a trace? In 1970, Gary Mathias and 4 friends drove to a college basketball game in Chico, California. All 5 men had intellectual disabilities. They were excited about the game. They never made it home. Their car was found 4 days later, 20 miles up a mountain road, in the snow. The engine wouldn't start, but it could have been pushed back to the main road easily. Inside the car, investigators found maps and food. Outside, they found footprints leading deeper into the wilderness. 4 bodies were eventually recovered, but the evidence made no sense. One man was found in a remote trailer. He had survived for months. There was enough food to last for years, but he starved to death. Gary Mathias was never found. The question isn't what happened to these men. It's who led them up that mountain, and why authorities refused to investigate the one suspect who could have answered everything.